Okay, today we're going to do number 8 on our problems 1 through 25. If you notice, there is a diagonal, which is a triangle that is cut out. So that tells me that there's only one face that I can cut out. So we're going to start on this face. So we go Start 2D Sketch, choose that side. There's a couple different ways, but to me the easiest way is just getting our line tool. From the corner that's cut out, so in this case the upper left, click and move your mouse to the right. Okay, make sure it's straight. And if you notice, there is a 1 indicating that that length should be 1 inch. So we go 1, enter. Okay, and if you notice, there is a 1-inch line. So we can take this over to the left, and if we find the green dot right there, that's telling us that's the middle. So the middle of 2 we know is 1. Okay, so we click and we need to finish it. So click there to there. Okay, so now it is a full triangle. How we got that? We've got the 1 inch across. We know looking at the shape, we needed a line that goes down 1 inch, which also goes to the middle. Okay, and then we just connect that. So we go finish, extrude, and we can go click distance to all, click OK. And that's number 8.